This is Kagokura Misaki, Kagokura Cape, near the Tanegashima Space Center.
Kagokura Cape is indeed a picturesque spot near the Tanegashima Space Center. It offers stunning views of the coastline and the surrounding area.
Tanegashima is famous about the gun beginning the Japan at first time. 種子島は日本で初めて銃が伝わった場所としても有名です。
That's correct. Tanegashima is also famous as the place where guns were first introduced to Japan. In 1543, a Portuguese ship drifted ashore on Tanegashima, and they introduced the matchlock gun, marking the first introduction of firearms to Japan. This revolutionized Japan's weapons technology.